नमस्कार मंडळी. सर्वप्रथम मी तुम्हाला सर्व भारत देशवासी आज आपला राष्ट्रीय पूर्व स्वातंत्र्य दिन आहे, त्यानिमित्तानं माझ्या सर्वांना शुभेच्छा. मी अजय देशमुख एडी सर, तेल्हारा तालुका, अकोला जिल्हा येथे माझे गेल्या 21 वर्षापासून स्पोकन इंग्लिशचे क्लासेस आहेत आणि सर्व माध्यमचे विद्यार्थी आमच्या क्लासला असतात आणि त्यांच्या जिद्दीने, मेहनतीने आज ते एक चांगल्यापैकी उत्कृष्ट इंग्रजी बोलतात. तर आम्ही या परिसरामध्ये लहान मोठे सेमिनार घेत असतो. तर या आजच्या या चांगल्या दिवशी आम्ही एक नवीन एडी सर इझी इंग्लिश नावाचे चॅनल सुरू केलेले आहे. ते तुम्ही बघू शकता आणि त्यावर या पुढे आमचे इंग्रजी बोलणाऱ्या विद्यार्थ्यांचे व्हिडिओ येत राहतील. आणि आतासुद्धा थोड्या वेळानं या ठिकाणी 2-3 विद्यार्थी आजच्या स्वातंत्र्य दिनावर एक विशेष चर्चा करतील. तर आमच्या ग्रामीण भागातून मराठी माध्यमाच्या विचारातून या ठिकाणी आम्ही विद्यार्थी प्रयत्नाने घडवत आहोत. तर अशाच पद्धतीने विद्यार्थी त्यांची भीती इंग्रजीबद्दलची दूर होण्याकरता आम्ही ऑनलाईन क्लासेसची योजना 16 आणि 17 तारखेच्या सेमिनारच्या माध्यमातून करणार आहोत. 16ला आणि 17ला रात्री 8 ते 9 आमचा 2 दिवस सेमिनार असेल आणि विषय त्यामध्ये मातृभाषा आणि हिंदी भाषा आपल्याला येते, तर इंग्रजी भाषा आपल्याला का येत नाही या विषयावर विशिष्ट चर्चा होईल आणि विद्यार्थ्यांची भीती निघण्याची त्याच्यामध्ये काही कारणं सांगितल्या जातील आणि इंग्रजी बोलणाऱ्या विद्यार्थ्यांचा थोडाफार एक प्रेरणा म्हणून कार्यक्रम असेल. तर तुम्ही आवश्यक त्या संधीचा फायदा घ्या आणि जर तुम्हाला तो सेमिनार पटला असेल, आवडला असेल, तर जरूर तुम्ही आमच्या यूट्यूब चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा, लाईक करा, शेअर करा. धन्यवाद मंडळी. नमस्कार.
Hello everyone. Today is the Independence Day, 15 August. This is the very golden day for us. According to me, this day is very important for us. According to me, the 15 August is the most celebrating and most golden day for us. And for that, we are doing lots of struggle as well as the lots of people's great persons like Gandhi ji, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Nehru Chacha, and all the things which all the persons which are helping us to independent our day, means independent ourselves and independent our country. So according to me, firstly I want to introduce myself. My name is Shruti. I am living in Akola district from Maharashtra. So that's the opportunity in front of you to speak about the Independence Day. And for that we are doing lots of struggle. Not we, but the great persons who are doing lots of struggle to independent our country, India. So what can you say about this?
Yes, hello everyone. This is our 75th Independence Day, and this day is a very special for all of us because as you know that this is our 75th Independence Day, and on that day we got a freedom, and this is a very special and important day for all of us Indian because we got a freedom on this day, and because we got a freedom on this day. So what's you are telling about this, Janvi?
Yes, firstly, hello friends, and best wishes of me of Independence Day. So today is a Independence Day, and this day is a proudable thing to every person, Indian person, because our whole India is getting freedom, and every Indian have a proud of our country is getting a freedom, and also it is means the whole India today the whole India celebrate the Indian means Independence Day. And so, what's your opinions that what is the role of freedom of Independence Day?
Yes. So according to me, if you are closed in the packed room and there is no any type of air, there is no any freedom to go outside the. I got your point. According to me, freedom is the most important thing in every person's life, because suppose you are in a vacuum room, there is no air, there is no freedom to go outside the room. In the enclosed room, there is no any type of television, there is no any type of mobile, no any type of internet issue, means no any type of entertainment. So what will you feel? Means at that time, according to me, there will be lots of spoilness according to me, and for that also we are doing struggle for that. So you can imagine that 75 years we are struggling like a room, means like a room we are in the room, and 75 years we are not going outside the room, and how you feel about it. So according to me, that's the importance of freedom. According to me, I remember one example also. There is a bird of means there are lots of bird in our society, in our surrounding, on the trees also. So if we are taking any bird from it and keep it into in the freedomless home or freedomless house, so at that time that bird has know the importance of freedom at that time. So according to me, what you will say?
Yes, I am totally agree upon with you. And as you told the importance of freedom, that which is the importance of freedom in our life, and how we got a freedom, and for getting this freedom we faced many good and bad days in our life. Not only a good and bad days, but also the many up and downs come in our life, and after that, after doing a much more struggle, we got a freedom now this time. So after this point will continue some other students.
Friends, this is the Pranav, and today is the Independent Day, and it will be I think the 75 Independent Day, and I have from me the lots of wastage from this day, and it will be the very grateful for everyone. And according to me, the day is the very individual and very greatest for our country's people, and not only our country's people, but also the soldier of our country, as like the Indian Navy, Indian Army, and Indian Air Force, and all departments which are fight for us. And lastly, I want to grateful for this day, and I thankful to this platform for achieving this goal. Just now I can speak English due to this platform, and I have a lot of experience about that class. I got the information about that class through my friends, and I have learned the lots of things through this class, as like the atmosphere due to and for everyone known that for learning English, for speaking English, the atmosphere is the most important, and this atmosphere I got from this platform, and now I can speak English fluently. So thank you very much.
Hi everyone, this is Manish, and I'm very happy to wish you all the happy Independence Day. This is very special day. Why? Because we have been fighting with this virus from last 2 years, and having freedom or having overcome this unprecedented time is very, very incredible in nature, having this Independence Day. So I'm very happy to wish you this happy Independence Day. One great thing I want to share here, that CS coaching classes is starting new batch in upcoming days, and I will encourage you all to come across and join the class, because I have been the student of this class before 10 years, and it immensely impacted me and helped me improving my English language. What special you will get here? You will get the platform, people, environment, and the exposure to the English language, because we normally learn English through textbook, but here you will get the environment, exposure, and proper coaching towards speaking fluent English. So I will encourage you all come and join the class. Thank you.